Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to draw Fishy. So first things first, you want to start off by lightly drawing a circle. Next, you want to draw a smaller circle touching beside it on the left side. And we draw another circle on the left that is smaller than the second circle. So now you should have 3 circles that are touching, from smallest to biggest. Now what we want to do is draw 2 more circles so that it mirrors the 2 smallest circles we have. After we have drawn all our circles, we begin outlining as so, using the outer edges of the circles as a guide. Now we draw the letter C in between the second biggest circle inside our fishy. Now let us darken the inner curves of our circles as so, and we can add a few lines on the left circle for the tail. And on the right circle for the head, we can draw 2 circles like so for the eyes, and a little curve for the mouth. And now for the fins, we can use the middle of the 2 circles on the right and draw a curve on the top here, and add some lines for detail. And we do the same below. And now we can add a few circles on the right for the bubbles, and start coloring in the eyes and the bubbles. And there you have it. We now have finished drawing Fishy. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.